On this episode of Sketchy Shit We Build in the Driveway, things. Today we got towed with us. For those of you that haven't seen, this is our R6 swapped Chinese side-by-side. We got it for like a couple $100. Didn't have seats, didn't have extra bars, didn't have the engine, didn't have anything at all. Basically it felt fine. Then we found a $200 junk R6 engine. Then we put it in here. And it's just as sketchy as it sounds, like 100 horsepower, a couple $100 side-by-side, if you want to call it that. I think it came like with a 10 horsepower engine. Currently, we've probably had it up to 100. Dad, would you say 100? Fast. It's going real fast. And it gets real sketchy when you're going that fast. There is our video.
That might be the fastest we've ever gone in this thing!
We're trying to do donuts. I can get it to slide. But every time it starts getting on two wheels, Chad gets freaked out and says, no, sir. We need to get a better engine that'll hold more. It's kind of like breaks up over 50% throttle. But we want to turn it into a wheelie machine. The idea behind this was we were waiting on parts for Klaus, like the engine getting built. We had like a month. And we had beer and free time. And this is what you get. So today, we're fixing what we broke before. No, actually not. Why would I say we? This wasn't a team effort. This was an Ethan effort. Driving around, doing hood rat stuff with his friends, did something, chain snapped, went into the block, broke the block, oil went everywhere. It was a mess. So, me and Chad, JB welded it the other day.
But clearly we still have an issue.
And that didn't obviously work because there was still cracks in it and still leaking oil.
We might have thrown oil all over someone's windshield too. And then I proceeded to watch them try to clean the oil off of their windshield with their wipers. Yeah. So sorry about their luck. He's got a Tom Selleck mustache.
Are you going to remove the JB Weld that's there?
Why would I do that?
I don't know. So your solution is just not
more JB
just
Weld.
more JB Weld.
Yeah.
Okay. Man. All right. So we are doing our due diligence here, and we're cleaning all of the surface.
I wonder if there's a crack in the block that I can't see. We could put oil in it, start it, and see where it's leaking from.
I suppose.
None.
None.
Like, it's usually up to there.
And that's from the last time.
It was full the last time. I don't know what happened.
Dude, my confidence is just growing by the moment here. I think this is gonna be hilarious.
So should I get oil, put oil in it, and start it up?
Probably. That's probably what a wise man would do. I mean, all we need to do is just find out where it's coming from.
Yeah. Let's use this one. We'll save the Yama lube for whenever we fix it.
Okay.
Looks like there might be two different kinds in here.
Oh, look at that pour.
That might be enough.
Yeah! Oh, oil's dumping out of it. Oh, dumping out of it.
Hey, it's right there. I can fix that with more JB Weld. I guarantee it. Courtesy has a perfect accident. Whoa, the price went up another 50 cents.
What's better about the green stuff?
It doesn't leave a residue, and it's non-chlorinated.
Ah.
I really don't like that shit. Especially non-flammable. Get the f*** out of here.
That's like the best part.
Yeah. I feel like we should just clean it off and put like painter's tape over it.
Get those two.
This would be on a card?
Yes.
Is this good at getting blood off of car seats?
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
What about off my hammer? The whole thing on my mouth.
How are those?
It tastes just like it smells. Delicious.
See how much better this is than the red can?
Oh, yeah.
Surface must be clean and dry and oil free. Brake clean definitely fixed that part for us. Squeeze out equal amounts from each tube and mix thoroughly. Setup occurs in 4 to 6 minutes with the heat gun, right?
Now, I know what you guys must be thinking. Oh my gosh, they are professionals. I mean, we are really taking every precaution here.
If we weren't professionals, we wouldn't be using professional JB Weld. Okay, you can't buy this on the streets.
And yeah, I know the setup time may be, 4 to 6 hours. Really, probably about 24 hours if you want to. We don't have that kind of time.
It was right there, wasn't it?
I think so.
You know what? I think I have enough JB Weld to, oh yeah, for sure. That's exactly what we're gonna do.
Here we go. Here we go.
Uh-oh. I might have to go move a vehicle. Well, it won't leak after this.
It better not.
We have important trips to go on with this thing. Have you ever wondered what this stuff tastes like?
I mean, this has got to work, right?
Bro! The heat gun really set that up. Is it soft right there? No. Because I'm getting my pizza in this whether it dies or not.
Are we using the Yama lube?
No.
No. Full synthetic race juices.
Juice.
Does it register on the dipstick?
It's the same. How is this possible?
I feel like you didn't even really add that much, like half a quart. I feel like you got to put at least 3 quarts in there before anything registers. You can never have too much oil, right? We're going to lose a good portion of it anyway.
Hey, don't speak negativity into this. I thought we were confident in this JB Weld working.
Dude, I'm so confident. I'm not going to ride with you. Chad, predictions. How confident are you?
I know I have enough oil in there that even if I go across the street and it leaks, it's still going to work.
Okay.
And if it still leaks, we'll have pizza. Did you hit the choke? No choke needed.
That's okay. Pizza retrieved, still in one piece.
It's not leaking as much.
Oh no, it was pissing out of there before.
Yeah. That good?
You are now.
Am I good? What just happened? You broke it!
Chain doing things, wheels not.
Chad. Chad.
Cadillac.
Chad.
I broke it. It's all in one piece.
Well, it's snapped and the keychain snapped.
Oh, so it's like fixable relatively easily.
Oh,
It's bent.
that is absolutely bent.
I'm gonna let you know that that bump was pretty rowdy.
Yeah. Great idea, fellas.
All right.
Great ideas. The JB Weld, though, I'm convinced.
I'm expecting to open this
I hereby ratify and confirm that leak is fixed.
Yeah. Something. Tetanus bar. This was part of the
I don't care
metal.
what it will work.
Is the metal for that. Our extra, support so we don't die. I think it's the same size as this right here. If we chop this off, chop it, grind off the welds, cut this to size, put it in there, we can weld the gears to it. There's not going to be the key slot, that right there to help hold it.
Obviously, it didn't help hold it this time.
Well, maybe it did before this thing got all bent. If we can weld that and the welds are strong enough, it might hold.
So we get to use our favorite tool?
Yes. Sawzall.
Oil.
So what we did is we chopped off the old one that you saw that Chad broke.
Because it was bent.
Because it was bent, because he bent it. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. We chopped it up. Then we reused these gears. So basically you chop them up straight. Then we grinded them, cleaned them off. So I had the gears. And this much welding would usually weaken the metal, as you can see with the color. So I'm hoping dumping water on it will, quick quench and make it stronger. We'll see if it works, or we're gonna give it gas. It's gonna snap in half.
What's your confidence level that this will hold?
-6.
12 seconds later.
He hit that bump so hard he knocked the carburetor off. It was good. Engine was going in and out, and I looked back, and the carburetors are flopping. The knock is getting so loud.
I think we're good. Try to fire it up.
She's smoking pretty good, fellers.
Come on, baby. Hear it?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good noise. That's a good noise.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Well, the smell that is coming from this thing. In other news, my car is getting a nice sheen to it.
It's definitely not gonna start.
We're gonna have to push, aren't we?
No, we'll take your car to get Ben's truck and tow it.
Oh, Jesus.
Your camera's dirty. Probably.
Yeah, it's oil. It's time to stop believing.
Don't stop. Check. Remember, there are no brakes on this thing.
Are you gonna try to drop it in gear?
We're gonna try. Don't unhook it. It made it!
I wait for someone to say
It's still running.
I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night. I contemplate for a while. Don't you think you wanna be more than if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think you wanna be more than if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this?
Something. Oh, it came off the chain.
Oh, it sure did.
I think we have one cylinder.
But it made it under its own
It made
power.
it here under its own power. No
Ish.
assisting help from anything. Nothing at all.
No toe straps, no way.
The oil is pouring up here. There's got to be a hole in the block. There it is. There's the hole.
Focus, you fack.
Here, I got some light on
Oh my god. Well, it's a new hole.
it. There's oil all over me.
I think
Everywhere.
I think it's more than just a hole. Nothing a little JB Weld can't fix.
I see this as a win because we set out to fix the rear end.
No.
We fixed it.
We set out to solve this leak.
We set out to do one problem, which then created another problem, which was your fault. So, what should we put in this now? This was a carbureted R6. We have a lead on a fuel-injected R6, which will have more horsepower.
But if you would look very closely, you will notice the JB Weld is not leaking.
And the Cheetos don't absorb oil.
Myth busted.